Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into the beauty products that promise to elevate your routine. Today, we have a lip product that's been creating quite a buzz, the LA Colors Matte Lipstick in the shade Entice. It's designed to deliver intense color with a soft matte finish, all while keeping your lips moisturized. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, when you hear matte lipstick, you might expect something that's dry and uncomfortable. But LA Colors has taken a different approach with this formula. It's infused with moisturizing ingredients to keep your lips feeling soft and smooth all day long. In terms of color, Entice is a deep, rich red with a touch of warmth, a perfect shade for a bold, confident look. The pigmentation? It's impressive. One swipe gives you full coverage, and the finish is matte without that dreaded dryness that can sometimes come with matte formulas. In terms of texture, this lipstick glides on beautifully. It's creamy enough that you don't have to tug at your lips to get even coverage. I was genuinely surprised by how comfortable it felt on the lips. It didn't crack or settle into fine lines like some matte lipsticks do. The moisturizing effect is definitely noticeable, which is a bonus for those of us who suffer from dry lips, especially during colder months. Real-life testing? I wore it throughout the day, and the color stayed vibrant for hours. I did notice it faded slightly after eating, but that's pretty standard for most lipsticks. Reapplication was easy, no need for lip liner since the color didn't bleed or feather, which is always a plus for matte formulas. Now let's talk pros and cons. The pros? First and foremost, the pigmentation. This is a true matte finish with full color payoff, which is not always easy to achieve without it feeling too heavy. The moisturizing formula also makes a huge difference. No more worrying about my lips feeling tight or parched. The price point is another win. It's an affordable lipstick that delivers high-end performance without the high-end price tag. On the flip side, the wear time could be a little better. While it's long-lasting for a matte lipstick, it does require some touch-ups after meals. The packaging, while sleek and compact, feels a bit flimsy. It's definitely functional, but don't expect it to feel super premium in your hands. As for value for money, this lipstick is a great choice if you're looking for something budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. You get the rich color, comfort, and moisturizing benefits without having to break the bank. If you're on the lookout for something in a similar price range, but with a longer-lasting formula, you might want to check out Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink. It's known for its extreme longevity, although it's a bit drier compared to this LA Colors formula. The build quality, as mentioned, is a bit lightweight. If you're the type of person who prefers a more luxurious feel, this might not be your favorite. But considering the price point, I think it's reasonable. Would I recommend this product? Absolutely. If you're someone who loves a bold lip but doesn't want the uncomfortable feeling that often comes with matte formulas, LA Colors Matte Lipstick in Entice could be a great fit. It's a solid option for anyone who wants intense color, comfort, and hydration without spending a fortune. So what do you think? If this review helped you decide, or if you've tried this lipstick already, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest beauty reviews from Beautyistic. Your support means everything to us, and it helps us keep bringing you reviews you can trust. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear your experience. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.